Okay, so today I want to just show you how I use ChatGPT. I mean, not ChatGPT, but like this AI model called Flux model images, right? Like, so if you just search for this, so this is I mean, Flux is a model that is a very recent model that can generate images which are ultra realistic. So all of these, okay, some of these are not real, but this is not AI, but this is AI. Like actually, I mean, okay, let's check that. So if you just check this, right, like so this is unbelievably good quality AI. Obviously, I mean, some people will say, "Oh, this hair is not." I don't think anyone can tell that this is not real. So, and this is really like really good. Like you can also, I'll show you some of the pictures that I generated for myself. I mean, some of these are okay, don't look like me, maybe a younger me, but I would believe that this is me, right? Like, I mean, and I really have been playing with this a lot. As you can see, there's like hundreds of images of me. Okay, so this is a model that is used for generating realistic face pictures. And there is this thing called LoRa, which is low rank adaptation, where you can take the base Flux model and train it for producing images of your own style. And I've done two things with it. Like, so one is this sort of a thing where I'm able to, generate pictures of me. So, for instance, okay, I said, okay, generate a picture of me giving a talk at Stanford. Okay, so this is AI generated. Again, can't probably tell. It's very hard to tell. Maybe there's something here that is easy, that is okay to tell, but my face and all the, all of this double chin, all of these are properly captured. And okay, so this says, okay, on me and Great Wall of China, probably again looks very real, and so on, right? Like, so this is something that I trained and that I am now able to run. That is, very, very real, and I can generate images. Okay, I just want to look at those images, but basically, I'll show you how I did it. So, let me just show you. Um, uh, the code. So I have this sort of image generator where or um, yeah, image generator probably. Yeah. So basically, oh no, not this. Basically, what I did is I just had a bunch of images of myself, and then I used it to fine tune this model to produce like a checkpoint that captures my face, and now I can prompt it to generate, any image that I want for that sort of, that kind of task. Like for instance, recently I was generating or I was trying to generate. Yeah, I was trying to generate. So I'm going to Michigan, and so I tried to generate these. Some of these are not really good. Maybe some of them are okay, but yeah, I was trying to generate some. Okay, as you can see, these are slightly okay, but you can still tell some of these are AI generated. But in some cases it works, some cases it doesn't. But this is for instance me doing it out of these. Okay, I want to stop showing off. Okay, what did I do? Um, okay. Okay, so this is one task like where I'm trying to generate images of myself. Some cases this is helpful, like for instance, okay, trying to generate like professional looking photos of me or things like that, headshots and things like that. That'll be helpful. In other cases, like so, I've tried to use this to generate comics. So I was always a very horrible comic. I mean, I had some ideas on how to draw and things like that, but I could never draw something that is good, and I always wanted to do something like as a the comic. So what I did is, I drew these sorts of very simple things where these are hand drawn by me on my iPad, and now what I did is, it captures different emotions like okay, confused, angry, surprised, or whatever, puzzled, and so on. Right, like some of these are horrible, but this shows the style in which I want to draw. And what I did is again, these are all face images. So I just gave a bunch of these images to this Flux model, and I said, okay, generate a different types of comics for me. So I created like I don't know 15, 20, or actually 30 of these images. Probably, I mean, these are what I did is I created. So I generated I maybe created 15 of these images myself, drawn by hand, and then I used it to generate some images, and then pick those images and then reiterated. Like for instance, this is another like that the AI has drawn. This is for instance very good. Like it's in my style. this is not like, so I try to tell it, okay, this is not the style, this is the style, this is not the style, this is the style, kind of thing, right? Like, and then I created a version or that can generate comics for me based on some ideas that I have. Like, for instance, I've generated a bunch of like different types of things. I've been trying this out for a while now. So, and some of these are quite good, like in the style that I want. Like, for instance, this is very good. Like, obviously, it's still very bad with text, but some are good. Like, so these are about, okay, me meeting some advisor, and like some of these are quite good. But anyway, so this is a fun kind of project where I've been trying to use this. And as you can see, a lot of these, it does not follow the prompts. I don't know, 80% of these are good. Like, these are very good, like my style, the style either I want, like very simple, pencil, draw, no color kind of thing, like these things. But the some of these are things like these, which are not in my style. But anyway, so you can see the output, and these are quite good for me to generate comics. And so I've been trying to use these to generate some comics. So this is one very good example of how I use image generation AI for generating these. Again, where am I using these comics? I'm not using them. I'm a bit not so sure if they actually look good or whatever. But and some of those are really bad. Like, but yeah, so it's a fun project, right? Like, I've been trying to do this. But yeah, these are good examples of how I'm using the sort of Flux model specifically to generate different types of images. This is super easy to do. I mean, okay, relatively super easy to do. It just, you have a script that is available on, you just Google like Flux fine tuning. Uh, you can take the base model and fine tune it. You need to have some basic GPU. But yeah, you can produce any of these sorts of things, or yeah, yeah, these sorts of things, and a bunch of other things that you can be as creative as you want. And I try to generate one with me and my wife together. And again, I don't want to show it now, but yeah, some of those are quite good. But yeah, let's stop here.